Well, hello everybody, my name is Yohanes Septin Sinaga. I am a student of Duta Wacana Christian University. So today in this video, I'd like to share to you guys a website that you can use for learning English, especially for you who beginners who start to learn English. So let's see how the website uh, helps you learn English. So first you can open your search engine, then you can type here www.duolingo.com. See, wait for a moment. So this is the home page of Duolingo, guys. Here as you can see here, guys, you can log in first, or you can skip this, then just start the lesson. You can see here, but here I'm going to show you guys to make an account first. So this is the box that you have to fill if you want to make an account. First we have an email or your username, and then you type your password. Also here you can use Facebook and Google to log in, but here I'm going to use Google. So let's continue. Wait for a moment. So this is the website, guys. As you can see here, there are many exercise here. As you can see, I am in Indonesian version. So this is the lesson. As you can see, it's in a base lesson. Then you can uh, uh, try your skill here until you finish all the lesson. So let's start with the first lesson. So you can see here, guys, this is the first question that we have here. We have first question, we have apple, which mean in English here. So you can hear it, guys. The website helps you how to pronounce the words. As you can, let's hear again. So let's get back to the question. Apple, so which mean in English this apple. So let's check. So this is the correct answer. Let's continue. Move on. So we have a different type of question here, guys. So let's hear it again. After you hear it, you have to translate the words, and then you have to arrange the words. So let me give you an example. So man, which means pria, and which means done, woman, which means Indonesian wanita. So let's check. So this is the correct answer, guys. Let's continue. So every time you answer the question and your question is correct, this bar will full. But if you answer it, your answer is incorrect, the bar will reduce. So let me show you guys. Let me show the about why if why this bar will reduce. If this bar reduce, which means your answer is incorrect. So let me explain. Let me show you guys that like this. So this is the incorrect answer. As you can see, the bar is reduced. So you can see here again, the website give you the correct answer about your incorrect answer. So let's continue. He is a man, which means Indonesian, dia laki-laki. As you can see here, the bar will fill again if you correctly answer. If you answer correctly, so you will finish all the question. Then you have to fill this bar until full by answering the correct answer. So that's all about this application, about this website. I hope you can learn from this website, and if you like this video, leave a like and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.